What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be doing LED headlights in my F350 dually, along with switchback turn signals. All of the bulbs and stuff that I use in this video will be in the description below, so don't forget to check those out if you have a truck similar to mine and need awesome tested LED bulbs. I've ran these same exact bulbs, same exact brand, everything in my trucks for the last 3 years. In all 360s that I've had, and never had a single problem out of these brands of bulbs. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So the headlight bulbs that I have used so much and had such great look out of are the JDM Astore G2 bulbs. These are made by JDM Astore. They sent me a pretty cool sticker. And also you can save 8% off of your purchase by using the code EJDM Astore. So EJDM Astore. Then click apply on jdmastore.com. So if you do want a set of bulbs like I'll be installing today, so there's your little 8% off coupon code. And then for the turn signal bulbs that are switchbacks, they are these right here. They have the projector lens on the end of them. Let me see if I can open these up. Okay, and I don't remember what brand these are. They may be unbranded, but I've ran these exact ones forever. The last 4 vehicles that I've owned have all had these LED bulbs in them. So I will put the link to these LED projector switchback turn signal bulbs in the description below, as well as the link to the JDM Astore headlight bulbs. So these JDM Astore G2s are 100% plug and play. They have cooling fans built in on the back of them. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out our headlight. There are 2 bolts up top. The size is 7/32, and there are 2 on the bottom going through the bumper. They are 7/32 as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out and then remove the headlight. So a little tip that I recommend on the 6 liters or 05 through 07 F250s, even if they have the gas motor, a lot of people remove the whole grill. I never do that. You can actually get away with just loosening the top bolts, and then the grill actually has some movement in it left to right, and it's plenty to get the headlight housing out. So just loosen up the top bolts on the grill. They are also the same exact size, 7/32. So loosen up the top 4 bolts on the grill, scooch it over to the left, and then take out the headlight bolts, and you can pull the headlight directly out. Okay, so as I said, you can just pull the grill to the left, pull this down and to the left, and then lift up on this back corner, and it will dodge the fender, and then just lift it up and out. And on the headlight plug-in, you want to push in and then press down on it with your thumb, and you'll be able to pull that directly out, and then pull out the turn signal bulb as well. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out this turn signal bulb. You just want to remove your old bulb, plug your new one in, and then I always just pull out my keys, and you can hit your lock button just to make sure that works. And then just put it back in. Now remove your old headlight bulb. And then you don't have to do this, but this is just something that I do. I don't know why, but I take off the fitting on the JDM light, and I always reuse the Ford OEM, or well, I guess technically Sylvania. I just reused that old fitting. Okay, now this plugs directly into the old factory port and clicks right in. And then you just take your bulb and put it in as well. That will twist and set right in there. So now we have both of our bulbs in there. So now we're ready to reinstall the headlight. You literally just do it in reverse of what we just now done. So I wanted to go ahead and turn on the headlight and show you all a little before and after. So you see this on the driver's side of the vehicle, how bright and chrome and clear and white light everything is. And then you come over here to this side and it's a little ugly, okay? And this one right here, I did replace that with a white bulb as well, but I done that whenever I installed the clear headlights. So now we are almost fully converted over to LED except for the interior, and we're gonna get right into that as soon as we get these LED headlights installed completely. So as you can see, these are a lot brighter than the factory ones, and they look a lot better aesthetically as well. So we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process we done over here on the right one, on the left one, and then we will head on to the inside and replace the interior bulbs. Alright guys, here she is. I still haven't got the LED fog light bulbs. I'm thinking about doing a video on a 20-inch light bar for the bottom bumper cutout. But we have the white LEDs in the mirrors. I have a video on installing those mirrors as well. Completely plug and play 2008 and newer body style mirrors on the 2007, or well 2005 through 2007, and it also fits all the way back to 1999 F250s. I have the clear lenses with white LED bulbs, and then full switchback and projector running lights, along with the LED headlights. And these were the JDM Astore G2s. So with the white LED headlights, those are completely plug and play and they work perfect. With the white or LED of any color, whether you get LED orange or LED white or LED switchback, which I have in this video, and I will show you right quick what switchback means, and then we will get right back to the subject of what I was about to tell you. Hold on, let me put my camera on my tripod. Okay, so what LED switchback means is whenever the running light feature is on and they're just a running light, they're white. And then whenever you flip your turn signal, they turn orange and blink. So then other drivers can still see the orange turn signal blinking instead of just the white with the bright white LED headlights and all that. It's just a safety thing, and I just think that it looks clean. So that is on running light. And there is the orange. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. That is the blinker, and then it turns back white. So as you just now seen, the switchback is white whenever it's a running light, and then it turns back orange whenever you flip your turn signal on, and then it goes back to white to be a white running light. Okay, you also seen the hyper flash, the turn signal flashing super fast. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that is. So these trucks have a manual turn signal relay that is up underneath the dash. You can actually get to, if you use your phone and a flashlight, you can actually shine your flashlight directly up underneath this panel right here and pull the old relay out. So instead of fooling with load resistors and all of that, all you have to do is just go down to the auto parts store and buy a newer style relay that accepts LEDs. pretty much any, just like if you just buy a replacement relay for this truck for the turn signal relay, it's most likely going to be a newer style that accepts the LED bulbs, so that will completely fix it, and then the relay will know that there is still a bulb plugged in because it has like a lower resistance or a smaller load or something like that. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but the newer relays that accept LEDs or are for LED bulbs work perfect with the LED turn signals, and then it brings back your normal blinking speed. It's no longer hyper flashing and blinking super fast. So before I replace these right here, this is what it looks like with that pulled out. You literally just pull out those covers. The cover looks like this, and right here is your replacement LED, and on the left is your factory bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that in, and then I'll show you a little comparison to the left side and the right side. So you have the super bright true white over here, and this is 6,000 color temperature. So it's super bright white, and over here you have the factory one. And this kit doesn't actually come with these. I've never seen a kit that actually comes with the vanity bulbs, but I will throw a link to which ones the vanity bulbs take, so you can actually swap these out to super bright white as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this other side in, and then we'll go to the back. On the back one, there is 3 Phillips head screws holding this top dome light on. In order to get to the ones that turn on with the switches, which are up inside of there, you have to actually remove the dome light, but you do have just this middle one right here that you can go ahead and swap out with an LED. So we got fully swapped over to white LED on everything. All the way around we have everything white LED except for these. I still have to swap that over. I'm going to swap that over to red, just to match the one on the other dually fender. So that one's yellow, that one's red. So I'm going to swap that over to red, and then pretty much that's everything. So thanks for tuning in to the channel and watching me install these JDM Astore G2 headlight bulbs. If you have any questions, always feel free to hit me up on Instagram at JustinHawkSmith, same as the YouTube channel. And I appreciate you all watching the video. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment below, click that like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you know whenever I post my next video here on YouTube. And as always, have a good one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.